शगीर्द है हम मीर से उस्ताद का रासिक, शगीर्द है हम मीर से उस्ताद के रासिक, उस्तादों का उस्ताद है उस्ताद हमारा।
Now I would like to call Hasib Saeb for speech.
Assalamu alaikum to all the teachers and my dear friends. We all have gathered here to celebrate the celebrations of Teachers' Day. My name is Hasib. I am a student studying in class pre-9. For being more than a teacher, a friend, a guide and inspiration, for making me find myself. Here's wishing a happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. First of all, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me the opportunity to give a speech on the great occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers really play an important role in the education and life of students. Teachers really become individuals with proper vision, knowledge and experience. Our teachers do not consider us less than our own children and teach us diligently. The growth of people and society and country depend on the quality of education, which is given only by a good teacher. Dear teacher, all will be thankful to you always. Now I am going to conclude my speech. Thank you all for being here and making this program a success. That's all from my side. Thank you.